How to fix music streaming app not working. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to fix music streaming app not working. First of all, make sure you are running latest version of app. Open App Store. Tap search icon at bottom right and search Musi app. If you see update button, tap on it to make sure and ensure you are running latest version. If you're still encountering the issue, simply go ahead and open Settings, tap General, tap iPhone Storage, search Musi mobile app. Now tap Offload app, tap to confirm, tap Reinstall button. Your issue should be fixed. If not, uninstall app, tap Delete button and reinstall from App Store. Hopefully, this will fix the issue. If it did, then make sure that you subscribe the channel for more tech and tips videos. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.